This 2022 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 280 rupees is a fifth wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 30 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, Sleep 6, external shower, DVD player, TV, Colorado detector, air conditioning, awning, skylight, oven, spare tire kit, slideout, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 280 rupees is 8,491 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.